A handwritten note by New York City Mayor Zohran Mamdani supporting jailed activist Umar Khalid, along with a letter from 8 US lawmakers urging his release, has added a political dimension to the ongoing debate over Khalid's detention in India. The note shared on X by Khalid's partner Banojyotsna Lahiri referred to Khalid's reflections on bitterness and mentioned Mamdani's meeting with his parents. The development came amid BJP claims linking US Representative Jan Schakowsky, one of the signatories to the lawmakers' letter, to a meeting with Congress leader Rahul Gandhi in 2024, alleging a pattern of what it described as anti-India narratives being raised internationally. Separately, 8 US lawmakers, led by Representatives Jim McGovern and Jamie Raskin, wrote to Indian Ambassador to the United States Vinay Kwatra expressing concern over the prolonged pre-trial detention of Umar Khalid. The legislators cited questions raised by human rights groups, legal experts, and sections of the media regarding the fairness of the investigation, warning that continued detention may violate international standards of due process and proportionality. Khalid has been in jail for nearly 5 years under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act and IPC provisions for allegedly conspiring in the February 2020 Delhi riots, which left 53 people dead and over 700 injured. The lawmakers noted that the matter is pending before the Supreme Court and welcomed Khalid's interim bail to attend his sister's wedding, urging his release on bail pending trial. In India, the BJP accused Zohran Mamdani of interfering in internal affairs, while the Vishwa Hindu Parishad criticized both Mamdani and the US lawmakers, opposing any external intervention in the case.